Hey, how are you? In this video, we will be explain the story of The Grey Man 2022. The Grey Man is an upcoming American action thriller filmed directed by Anthony and Joey Russo. From a screenplay the latter co-wrote with Christopher Marcus and Stephen McFeely, based on the 2009 novel of the same name by Mark Greaney. The film stars Ryan Gosling, Chris Evans, Anna de Armas, Jessica Henwick, Reg, Jean Page, Wagner Moura, Julia Butters, Dhanush, Alfred Woodard, and Billy Bob Thornton. Produced by the Russo brothers company AGBO, the film hopes to start a franchise based upon Greaney's Grey Man novels. Directed by Anthony Russo, Joey Russo, screenplay by Joey Russo, Christopher Marcus, Stephen McFeely. Based on The Grey Man by Mark Greaney. Produced by Anthony Russo, Joey Russo, Joey Roth, Jeff Christenbaum, Mike LaRocca, Chris Castaldi, Palak Patel. Starring Ryan Gosling, Chris Evans, Dhanush, Anna de Armas, Jessica Henwick, Reg, Jean Page, Wagner Moura, Julia Butters, Alfred Woodard, Billy Bob Thornton. Production companies AGBO, Roth Christenbaum Films. Distributed by Netflix. Release date July 15, 2022. United States. Running time 122 minutes. Country United States. Language English. Budget $200 million. The Grey Man is set for a limited release on July 15, 2022, followed by its release on Netflix on July 22, 2022. With a production budget of $200 million, it is the most expensive film ever made by Netflix. Premise: when the CIA's most skilled mercenary, known as Court Gentry, Aka Sierra 6, accidentally uncovers dark agency secrets. He becomes a primary target and is hunted around the world by psychopathic former colleague Lloyd Hansen and international assassins. Development: the project was first set up at New Regency, with James Gray set to direct a screenplay written by Adam Cozard. In January 2011, Brad Pitt was initially cast to star, but by October 2015, he and Gray were no longer involved with the film. Charlize Theron entered talks to star in a gender-swapped version of the film at Sony Pictures, with Anthony and Joey Russo writing the screenplay. Casting: no further development was announced until July 2020, when the Russo brothers were announced to direct the film. From a screenplay by Joey Russo, Christopher Marcus and Stephen McFeely, with additional material written by Anna Gregory, Charles Leavitt, Rat Reese, Joey Sharpnell, and Paul Wernick for Netflix, with the intention to spawn a franchise. Ryan Gosling and Chris Evans were cast to star in the film. In December, Dhanush, Anna de Armas, Jessica Henwick, Wagner Moura, and Julia Butters were added to the cast. Reg, Jean Page, Billy Bob Thornton, Alfred Woodard, Amy Ikwuakor, and Scott Hayes joined the cast in March 2021. An April article about shooting in Prague had Mikhail Gandolfini included in the cast. In May 2021, Diobia Opari joined the cast of the film. Filming was to commence on January 18, 2021 in Long Beach, California, but was pushed back to March 1. Page wrapped his role within the first month of shooting. It filmed in Europe in the spring, with locations including Prague, Czech Republic, and the Chateau de Chantilly in France. Filming in Prague took place from June 27, 2021. Filming wrapped on July 31st, 2021. Release: The Grey Man is set for a limited theatrical release on July 15, 2022, followed by its release on Netflix on July 22.